Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to auto-detect chapters and topics in long-form video using FastPix AI. We'll cover two methods, through the dashboard and through the API. By the end, you'll have structured, time-aligned chapter markers on your video without scrubbing a single second of footage to write them. Quick prerequisite, you'll need a video already uploaded to FastPix, ideally a long one. The longer the video, the bigger the win. If you haven't uploaded yet, check the link in the description for our upload walkthrough first. Let's get started. Method 1. The dashboard. Open your video and click the AI Chapters tab under InVideo AI. You'll land on the AI Video Chapters page. FastPix automatically generates structured video chapters using AI in a format that's compatible with your player. Hit Generate, confirm, and proceed, and FastPix gets to work. AI analyzes your transcript, detects every topic change in the video, and builds chapter markers around them. You'll see a preparing status while it runs. Give it a few seconds, and your chapters are ready. Each one has a start time, an end time, and an AI-generated title describing what that segment is about. Scroll through and review every chapter. Copy the chapter file to use it in your CMS, your podcast platform, or your YouTube upload. And here's the part that surprises people. Once your chapters are generated, they appear automatically in the FastPix Player's Seek bar. Visible markers viewers can jump to. Zero setup. Zero player config. It just works. Method 2. The API. Thinking programmatically? Generating chapters from media you've already uploaded? Here's how the API does the same thing in a single call. You'll need one thing from your dashboard, your media ID. Open your video, head to the Overview tab, and copy the media ID at the top of the page. Now drop it into your curl command. Send a request to the chapter's endpoint with your access token and secret key for authentication, and a JSON body with chapters set to true. Hit enter. FastPix returns a JSON response confirming success with your media ID and its chapters enabled set to true. Behind the scenes, AI is processing your transcript, detecting topic changes, and building structured chapter markers. A webhook fires the moment they're ready. No polling, no waiting, just wire it into your job queue. 2 ways to generate chapter, 0 scrubbing. The link to our guide for this topic and our full API reference is below for further perusal. Try it free at fastpix.com and ship video faster today.